Today, we're going to review a patient that 6 months ago we did a SMART FUE indication lowering hairline. This is the hairline from here to here. This is the window speak. This was the birthmark before. We have planted and hide the birthmark. Now there's no more birthmark can be visualized when she goes out, when she comb her hair. This birthmark is already hidden inside. This is the frontal temple angle. From here to here we lower down about 2.5 centimeter. From this frontal angle we lower down to here. This frontal angle we lower down to here. As you can see, this is all the planted hair. It looks very natural and patient is very happy with the new hairline.